Will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Ice Edge Adventurous app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. And just click here on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps, yes, and then you're looking for Ice here Edge Adventurous app or just click on search. Then here add Ice Edge Adventurous, it's going to show for you like this, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.